si Ellen at si Derek pinagtatanggol siya.
Natural, kasi nasa tama at sa mali kami. Okay, tahimik kami sa umpisa, at seeing now all the negativity, all the lies, all the threats, may mga threats.
Ano yung nasa mali ka, Derek?
Ang mali dito is irresponsible posting, acting on emotions without thinking, just jumping the gun. Sorry, Andy. I'm sorry. Hindi ako ano sa'yo ha. This is, for me, you should have not have done that. Kung galit ka, inaiintindihan ko yun. Nasa kultura ng Pilipino yun. Mali na
Si
nagpatato
Ellen
sila
at si
together.
Derek pinagtatanggol
Mali.
siya.
Natural, kasi nasa tama at sa mali kami.
Andy,
Okay, tahimik kami sa umpisa, but seeing now all the negativity, all the lies, all the threats, may mga threats.
Ano yung nasa mali ka, Derek?
Ang mali dito is irresponsible posting, acting on emotions without thinking. May respeto talaga ako. Pero magsasalita ako. I'm sorry. Hindi ako ano sa'yo ha. This is, for me, you should have not have done that. Kung galit ka, inaiintindihan ko yun. Nasa kultura ng Pilipino, mali na nagpatato sila together.
Okay na kami.
She should all have been handled in private.
Sana okay na rin kayo. Hindi ako okay. Kasama ako dun sa kayo. Kasi yung kaibigan ko,
which is now
kaibigan mo rin, inaagaw, pati ako nga,
sinasabihan ngayon, nadamay na kami ni Ellen.
Pero inaamin mo sa statement
Ellen,
mo,
mag-ingat
na
ka.
mali nga, you should have all been handled in private. So why don't you have the decency and show some respect to Cornelia
pero
and clear her
magsasalita
name?
ako.
Kaibigan ka si Pilmar, pumupunta
galit
ka
ka,
kay Cornelia kapag may
may
problema
karapatan
kayo
kang
ni
magalit.
And she is
Harapin
there
mo.
with you,
Una,
for you,
harapin mo.
open
As
arms to
nag-statement
listen
na
to your
finally to si
problems.
Pilmar.
Multiple
And what does
times.
he say?
Hindi
Okay
ko
na kami.
ilalabas kung
This should
ano
all
yung
have been
problema.
handled in
That's
private.
not my
Sana
business.
okay na rin
But
kayo.
you reach
Hindi,
out
di
to
ako
your
okay.
best friend,
Kasama
your
ako dun
so-called
sa
best
kayo.
friend
Kasi
or
yung
sister.
kaibigan
And then
ko
this is
na
how you handle it. You
kaibigan
just
mo
think
rin,
a
na
host
matalik.
saying, hey,
Sinaktan mo.
okay na kami.
Hindi ka man
Tayo
lang
ni Andy, of course.
mag-apologize. Pero
He's
inaamin
hurt.
mo
She's
sa
not okay.
statement
She's
mo
crying
na
her
mali
eyes
nga.
out
It should have
every
all
day.
been handled in
She's a very
private. So why don't you
person.
have
Her
the
mental health
decency
is
and show some
so
respect to
affected.
Cornelia
She
and
was
clear
a
her
brave
name?
woman. She is a
Kaibigan ka
dear
si
friend.
Pilmar,
She's
pumupunta ka
close to
kay
me and
Cornelia.
Ellen. I can
Kapag may
sleep in the
problema
same
kayo
bed
ni
with
Andy.
Cornelia,
And she
and
is
my
there
wife
with
would
you,
not
for
doubt.
you,
Open
that's how
arms
close
to
we
listen
are
to your
her.
problems.
So,
Tunay na
multiple
kaibigan
times.
si
Hindi ko
Cornelia. She
ilalabas
proved
kung
that
ano yung
to
mga problema.
Pilmar, that's not my
And even
business.
to Andy,
But you
by
reach
not
out to
even
your
making
best friend, your
battle,
so-called
by
best
going
friend
out
or
and
sister.
speaking the
And then
truth.
this is
But
how you
ako
handle it.
bilang
You just
isang
think a
kaibigan
host
na
saying,
nakikita ko yung
hey,
kaibigan
okay na kami.
nasisira
Tayo
na,
ni Andy, of
umiiyak
course.
na, nababastos
She's
na,
not
pati
okay.
yung
She's crying her eyes out
nasasaktan
every
na
day.
kasi yung boyfriend
She's a
na
very
taga-Sargao,
private
all his
person.
relatives
Her
are
mental
there,
health
he's even
is
worried for
so
them.
affected.
To the point na
She
inimbestigahan
was a
na
brave
kung ang
woman. She is a
status
dear
ni
friend.
Cornelia,
She's
which
close to me
is
and Ellen. I
legitimate.
can sleep in
Her
the same
papers are
bed
all
with
straight,
Cornelia.
pati